songs whose words are sweet and easy. I write now that the willows bud and the highest peaks wear the colors of many flowers, and the leaf is green, and songs and cries of birds echo in the shadow of the loom. Through the loom I hear the song and refrain, and so that none can blame me, I work and file smooth, skilled lines with the art of love, from which I have not such a heart to depart. Instead, when it spurns me more, I follow its trail, even if it avoids me. Lover's pride is worth nothing. Instead, it throws its lord from the highest place down to the ground with such a torment that it strips any joy from him. It is right that he weeps and flares and burns, who love does mock. Good lady whom I adore, it's not out of pride I turn elsewhere, but for fear of the curious ones by whom joy is shaken. I pretend I don't want you, since we never enjoyed the delicacies. I don't like to gather for them. Wheresoever I go wandering, my thought assails you, because I sing and have any worth out of the joy we gave each other where we parted. Because of that my eye often gets wet out of sadness and longing and of sweetness, since I have enough to complain with love. Now I'm hungry for love and sigh, and I don't follow measure nor rule. It only rewards me that never was heard from the time of Cain, a lover who less than me hosts a false or deceitful heart. For that my joy's at its highest peak. Lady, no matter who sways, I'll not run straight where honor is, since your worth keeps it at its highest peak.